Right, differentiation. You might have seen a bit of this on GCSE, you might not have done, but there you go. Now, when you get something like this, and this is the favourite trick of theirs, split it up. Okay, so we've got 2x cubed over x squared plus 3x over x squared minus 1 over x squared. Okay, so all I've done is split the fraction up, and I'm going to simplify it because it's not very nice in its original form. So here we go. So we've got 2x cubed divided by x squared is 2x. 3x over x squared gives me 3x to the minus 1. And I've got that as x to the minus 2. Now, you should know that you don't want reciprocals to differentiate, so make them negative powers. And you don't want roots either. We'll get onto that in a minute. Don't want roots, make them into fractional powers. Now I can differentiate, so 2x differentiates to 2, and minus 3x to the minus 2 for the next bit, and then I've got minus, so that's plus 2x to the minus 3. Now I could rewrite that as 2 minus 3 over x squared plus 2 over x cubed. You don't have to, but there you go. Now the next one, I need to find what y is when x is 1 side, because I need the coordinate, don't I? So y would be 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared minus 5 times root 1, which equals, so I've got 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 5, so it's minus 7. Now I'm going to differentiate, and I'm going to call this bit, I'm just going to make this here, so I'm going to call that 5x to the half. Okay, so I don't want any roots in there, so I'm going to call them to the power half, so dy dx equals, so x cubed goes to 3x squared minus 6x minus, where are we, 5 over 2 x to the minus a half. Okay, and when x is 1, when x equals 1, I'm going to get 3 times 1, okay, 1 squared minus 6 times 1 minus 5 over 2 times 1 to the minus a half. Okay, so I've got 3 minus 6 is minus 3 minus 2.5, which is minus 11 over 2. Minus 11 over 2. There we go. Now I'm going to put it into y equals mx plus c. You could put it into y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1. That's fine. I think y equals mx plus c is just as easy here. So we've got minus 7 equals minus 11 over 2 times the x coordinate 1 plus c. So we've got, that's going to be, so c is going to be 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2 I should say. And so therefore I can now write my equation, y equals, and we found the gradient was minus 11 over 2x, okay, minus 3 over 2. Okay, expect fractions, they're going to be there. I know you haven't got a calculator, but there you go. Alright, so pretty straightforward. Yeah, not a lot I can add to that.